Yeah, what's up guys? This is Macharia here, and today I'm coming live from Matatu stage here. I want to take you for a journey. This is my brother here. Yeah. It's my elder brother. And me do like this, man. So I want to take you a journey. I want you guys to see beautiful sceneries of Nakuru to Nyeri. You know, there is so beautiful sceneries all along that highway. So get with me this video and it will be awesome. You know, I'm coming live from a Matatu stage here. Say hi to my audience. Hello guys. Yeah, it's like that. This is my elder brother. Today we are paying like only $5 only. $5 from Nakuru to Nyeri. It's very cheap. Mostly during Christmas Eve, the price actually goes up most of the time. But today we have just paid $5 only. Actually, it's $4.5. You know, this is the receipt. So guys, we are now leaving. Yeah, just see the beauty of Nyeri. You see, how's the sunset? The sun is almost setting. This is Nyeri, guys. Welcome to Nyeri. The sun is already setting down there. You see? Hello. Wow. This place looks beautiful. You see? Green. Wow. This is Nyeri, guys. What do you think about this place, guys? How does this place look like? It looks perfect, man. It's green. In Nyeri town already now. Wow. Here we go. This is Nyeri, guys. Nyeri, my home. Already inside Nyeri town, heading to Matatu stage. Guys, I'm already in Nyeri town. This place looks beautiful, man. Whoa. I look so tired, man. Whoa, crazy, dude. You can see how this place looks like. Oh, I just came with this car here. It's a good car here in Kenya. So let me take my things here and go home, you know. This is Nyeri, guys, so let's go, guys. What's up, guys? It's very dark here. The journey is still going on here, man. I've not arrived yet. I'm in Karatina town and it's already dark, you see, guys. This is Karatina town. This is Matatu state, you know. Yeah, inside Nyeri County. So guys, the road trip is almost ending here, guys, but it's already at night here. It's already dark, completely dark. Maybe what's the time now? It's almost 8 Eastern African time. And it's time now. We are almost home. In the next 1 hour, I'm going to take another taxi to my home now. Maybe this video, I'll complete this video tomorrow. And I hope it will turn out to be beautiful. So this is Karatina, you see. It just came with this car. So let me continue. Maybe when I arrive, I will do the last touch, and it will be good, man. So peace, guys. Yeah, what's up, guys? I just arrived at home right now, and it's very dark, man. Oh, am I saying my things? This is Africa, man. It looks dark. I'm in Nyeri right now in our home, but it looks dark like crazy, man. Just look at this darkness. Yeah, but I'm using my phone for lighting, and this place looks kind of green, man. I can see. Don't know whether, guys, you can see, but yeah, I'm at home and it looks cool, man. Yeah, this is my home. You can see some lightings, electricity. Yeah, man, it's dark like crazy. Dark. Look at this green. Look at this grass. It has some water with it. Yeah, it's green, man. So tomorrow morning I'll make sure I wake up and I'll show you how beautiful this place looks like, you know. Yeah, it's very quiet. Can you just listen? Very quiet. Listen. Whoa. Yeah. I'm in a garden, man. There's some flowers here. This is a macadamia tree. Wow. Wow. These are macadamias. Look at this. These are macadamias. You see how they look like? Yeah. So guys, let me see you tomorrow, guys. And yeah, I hope this will be beautiful. I show you how my village looks like, you know. So let me see you in the next video, guys. Yeah.